Hey travelers, today we are in New York to board the MSC Meraviglia on our 7-night cruise in the Yacht Club experience, and I'm going to give you a full breakdown of the embarkation process and the ship within a ship tour. So let's go. Now, once you've given your luggage to the special Yacht Club porter, you will walk past the line and directly into the terminal, and then escorted back to the Yacht Club lounge, where you'll check in, go through security, and then be greeted with champagne and some snacks. Once a few other Yacht Club guests arrive, a butler will come and take the group of you directly onto the ship and into the Yacht Club. Now, as we make our way through the ship, what is the Yacht Club? So the Yacht Club is what's considered a ship within a ship. This dedicated area is restricted only to Yacht Club guests and can only be accessed by your cruise card or special bracelet. You have your own restaurant, lounge, and pool. Along with a personal butler and 24-hour concierge service, it's like being on a luxurious yacht attached to a normal cruise ship. Now, once you're on board, you still have to wait for the rest of the cruise passengers to board, so hang out in the lounge, grab a quick bite to eat, and relax.
Hopefully it's not too windy out here for you to hear me, so we're going to try this. So we got on the Meraviglia this morning, and we made it up to the Yacht Club. We're taking our 7-night cruise down to the Bahamas, Ocean Cay, and Port Canaveral. This is our second time in the Yacht Club. First time on the Meraviglia, and we are going to be in for a beautiful trip. Do a room tour, a full ship tour, and what it's like inside the Yacht Club here on the Meraviglia.
Now, decks 14 and 15 in the Yacht Club are just for rooms and suites, but we do have our own special elevator and staircase that goes all the way up. Deck 16 is like the main deck. It's got the concierge desk, some more rooms and suites, and that's where you'll find the top sail lounge, which is like the main meeting place and bar for the Yacht Club. Now for us, this is where we would come for a drink, listen to some music. They always had live music in there. It was just a nice, calm place to unwind. And you can always frequently find snacks and little treats there to snack on. Deck 17 is your restaurant. No need to make reservations. You can go there whenever they are open. There you'll be greeted with top-notch service, an upgraded menu from the main dining room, and 180-degree views of the front of the ship. Now, all the way at the top of the staircase, you will find Deck 19. Deck 19 is your exclusive Lido deck with pool and bar. This is where you'll find plenty of loungers and some other comfortable seating areas. Now, coming around to the port side, you'll have your Yacht Club bar and grill. Now, this is where they serve breakfast and lunch buffets, along with fresh squeezed orange juice, espresso, and your favorite cocktails. As you can see, it is mostly covered, but it does get a little breezy on sea days. And moving around to the starboard side, you have your pool in the middle. It seems a little small, but keep in mind there's not a lot of Yacht Club guests to begin with, and not a lot of them have kids. I don't think I ever saw more than 4 people in there at one time. There is only one hot tub, which on our trip seemed to be used more than the pool. I think MSC could have found more room for another one if they wanted to. The rest of the starboard side is some restrooms, a shower for the pool users, and the smoking section. Now that we've explored the Yacht Club, let's go check out what an interior room looks like downstairs. A Yacht Club interior room, room 16010. It's an interior room. Let's see what it includes. I believe the room is about 200 square feet. I will put that down here somewhere.
But yeah, so we've got a full-size mirror. Don't forget your magnetic hooks. Great little magnetic hooks. Got 2 comfy chairs. I love the artwork in these rooms. Like, it's calming, it's soothing, the color is good. I just love the artwork in this room. So moving on around, king size bed, nightstand on either side, this bright light, and then you've got a little reading light on both sides. Plenty of storage. There are no outlets on either side of the bed. So what I do is I have this 20,000 milliamp power bank with wireless charging, and I've been putting it on the nightstand every night, so I have a phone there with me. Desk and stool slash, we've used it to eat room service off of. Footstool, slides easy. Right, so you've got your 2 UKs, USB-A, light, regular outlets. That's the only American outlet in this room. That's why we bring that bad boy. This one, Amazon. It's got 4 USBs and then your standard plug. USB-A and 2 USB-Cs. And that is how we've been running 2 phone chargers, 2 watch chargers, and then I plug in my camera to that as well. So of course with the Yacht Club you get all your liquids, all your drinks here included, ice bucket, snacks, glasses, bottle opener, room service menu, mini bar menu, chocolates, little pen and paper. Underneath we've got our mini bar, and of course this is stocked however you want it. We weren't too picky, so we just let them put whatever they want in there. But you typically get Coke, Sprite, tonic water, Heineken, Fanta, some fruit juice, still, and sparkling water. And a Toblerone. Insert Toblerone here. We already ate it. Closet space is minimal, which was, I think, the saddest part of this. Ashley and I had a split. She got that side, I got that side, and then we each got 1 drawer, and then we each took half of that. We are on our way to disembark tomorrow, so we're already packed up. We've already been here for a week. And anytime that I watch a room tour on YouTube, the biggest thing I like to look at is the bathroom, because how big is the bathroom? Is the bathroom big enough? Does it have everything I need? So let's go check out the bathroom. And the answer is meh. Bigger than a normal cruise ship bathroom, but not by very much. So it's well proportioned out. Shelves down here, extra stuff down here. Of course, Ashley stuff, my stuff, our stuff, towels, a little bit of a wider, so these are about 5-inch tiles, so keep that in mind. Obviously we've been to the pool. And it wouldn't be the Yacht Club without our robes. I wish I could take those robes home with me, but they won't let me. Kind of a small TV. I would say that's 43 inch, 48 inch. We've been able to see it, but they can get a 50 in there. And if you've cruised before, you're probably wondering, where are the life jackets? I didn't see any life jackets anywhere. There are none in this room. This is the first cruise I think I've ever been on where there are no life jackets in the room. They're at the meeting point. So when you do your muster drill and you're like, you know, you go to section A or whatever, that's where the life jackets are. So if there's an emergency, go there and get your life jacket.
Oh, I almost forgot the important part. Every night you're going to come back to your room and find little treats. They could be gummies, they could be chocolates, but you're going to get these cute little treats every night in your room. And the bottle of spirits is something you actually get to take home. That is something that is a gift to you for being in the yacht club.
All right, that is the room tour here on the MSC Meraviglia Yacht Club, interior room 16010. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the bell notification to know when I post more of these videos. That is it for now. Have a wonderful rest of your day. And remember, the world is large, life is short, so keep traveling. Bye.